BitClout doing great. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about how to use BitClout. What is BitClout? As far as I know, it is not owned by any companies. It is an open source blockchain like Bitcoin. It is a new platform for almost most of us, and some of us already know about it and how to use it. That's an interesting concept though. Now let's dive into it and make it as short as possible. But for now, we can only open it from browsers, and it can be opened from phone browsers too. Just keep in mind, when I was trying to open this on Google Chrome browser on my desktop PC, it didn't allow me. I'm not sure if it was a bug or not, but it is working with Firefox, and you can try it with other browsers you want. Now let's do this. I already have BitClout platform here, but if you just go to Firefox or the browser you want and type in bitclout.com, you will see this page. It says sign up or log in. I'm gonna use a sign up button to show the process. It's pretty simple. Now we're gonna hit sign up button. We see it says store your seeds phrase. If you don't know what this is, some platforms, mostly in digital wallets, they have this thing where they provide some random words. It works like a password, but it's safer. Just make sure you store this somewhere safe, because every time you want to log in, you may need it. There is no recovery password option for the platform. If you lose it, you may need to open another. So you can either copy from highlighting it or copy from this option, and now I'm gonna go to next, and here I'm gonna paste the words, just copy from there, just to verify your seed phrase, and then I'm gonna hit next. Now we're in, just loading. So here, if I go to update profile, we have two options here to complete your account. Either put your phone number here like this, or purchase $58 of BitClout tokens, which the amount of token you purchase from this option, this goes to BitClout token, and that will be yours to keep. So no worries, this platform is free. It doesn't require any credit cards or such. I think this is just to avoid people from making multiple accounts. We see a couple of options on the left side here. We will go through them one by one. The first one is home. So here you can see other people's posts, and you can post stuff, like and comment on their posts to buy their coins. See, what I like about this platform is it's like a Twitter with tokens. You can invest in people you want. Look at here. You'll see price per coin of that person, also called created coins. I know it sounds confusing, but stay with me, we will talk about everything. The second option is buy created coins. Just loading. Okay, so yeah, that's Elon Musk. Other people like Logan Paul, Katy Perry, Mr. Beats. What's interesting is that if you see these, it says profile is reserved. So yeah, it's not Elon Musk himself. He hasn't joined the cloud yet. This account is reserved for him automatically, along with other people you see. When I click on it, it says how they can claim their accounts through Twitter. Yeah, so the fun part is that you can still buy his coins, and it's $68,000 per coin. When you buy the coin, when you buy his coin, the value go up. Okay, now how are we gonna buy the tokens in order to buy the coins? You see it says buy BitClout. When I click on it, this is where you buy your tokens in order to buy other people's coins. The basic concept of buy and sell for crypto and stocks. It has to be through Bitcoin, and you use this address to send the Bitcoin from your wallet to your account. And then here down here you can swap it with BitClout. You can just keep it or swap how much you want. So after purchasing the tokens, we go either to search button here and search whoever you wanna type in and find. So for example, I'm gonna go to here, and then I'm gonna click on Elon Musk's account to buy his coin. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna hit buy. Okay, here we have our balance, how much tokens we have, and the amount how much you want to put in, try to buy his coin. So for example, I'm just gonna put $1. Yeah, so because I don't have any tokens right now, it doesn't allow me. But you can put any amount you want. So you're gonna hit on review, and then it's gonna tell you how much you're gonna invest and how much fee is gonna be, etc. I know it's pretty crazy though. And then after that, we have other option like send BitClout. So for example, you have tokens, right? And then you just wanna send the tokens to whoever you wanna send to, and put their names. It has to be the correct name, and each person here, they have their own public keys. It's in their account, you can find them there. It just to make it more accurate. And it's the same thing, same process for buying tokens, coins. Now we have a wallet. It tells you how much you have, how much you own, and this is your public key. That's gonna be your identity, basically your public identity. Oh, okay, so update profile, I already showed you this. I'm just gonna switch back to my account right here. So this is my account. I'm gonna go to profile right here. It's gonna be the same for you. You go to update your profile. You can change your username, a description, and change your picture. And here we have founder reward percentage. This percentage is how much it will go to your wallet and how much that person who bought your coin will receive in return. The default is so that's 5%. The default is 10%. I recommend not to put more than 10 or higher, because then people might not be interested in investing in you if they like your account, if they want to invest more in your account. Yeah, so mine is at 5%, which means only 5% it will take from people who buys my coin that go directly to my wallet. It should be around these numbers. And then you hit update profile. I'm just gonna go back here to show you a couple of things. That's my public key. That's my post. If I go to create a coin, that's the people that invested in me. And the other fun part is that you can invest in your coin too. Basically, yeah, that's it. So notification, messages, settings, help. So yeah, they are self-explanatory, so no worries about them. Yeah, so I think I covered everything, and also if you wanna try to make another account, you can add an account. It just you have to have your own number or purchase the amount of tokens. So yeah, basically that's it. Yeah, so this is my account. It would mean a lot if you follow my account, support me. And I think that's about it. If anyone have any questions about BitClout, please leave a comment. And my YouTube channel is pretty new. I hope it was helpful. Everyone learned something today. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Also, let me know what should I make next. See you soon.